Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Sembut Menteri Rangba Kejela, uba kami ya katanat kampo yeng, uba perstun tensong, haka arpondai terik uyayong arajar arpsan, ulaong, ba ke Sorkar jela, kadang ap ya ke Jubab na ke Ministry of Defence ke Sorkar India. Halor ke jingkerpat ban a shilling khod ka khendo, haka Jaka Shipai, na ke benta ban penkenria ya ki laispa, saupu arteli ki long yeng na them yomolong. Haka jengkeren bat kilat patai kubor, uba tinsong ulaong, ba omla satya ban batai ya ka jengkeren haka jelang kabala long haka nigasi. Henry ula tepat baka Sorkar kala binshet ha Commissioner and Secretary jong katanat penroy ban yakeren bat ke Ministry of Defence na kabenta ban a Jaka.
So right now the meeting is inconclusive, so I'll not be able to tell you exactly what is. Yes, in fact, we discussed about this issue also, and now we are still awaiting the communication from the government of India through their defense ministry, because letter has been sent to the defense ministry, and we are yet to get the communication from them, because in fact we requested the government of India through the defense ministry if they can provide us that space which is lying unutilized in the defense area. I think nothing like it. So right now our Commissioner Secretary of Urban Affairs, Dr. Vijay also he's in touch with the Ministry of the Defense, and hopefully we will be able to get the communication very soon.